Gummy Sharks immediately going for cubes. Mechanical Thunder grabbing a ton of cubes as well. Mechanical Thunder lifting up the lift to try to score all 8 cubes in their intake. And they get all cubes into the goal. Gummy Sharks laying up with another goal. They're going to try to get 7 cubes into this goal. As they lift up for a 35-second period, they now switch dragons. Gummy Sharks trying to knock the goal in order to balance the cubes into the goal. Mechanical Thunder grabbing some more cubes, trying to dispense it really quickly into the goal. Gummy Sharks knocking off that last red cube for a 5-point bonus as they grab more cubes to try to score. As we move to the last 10 seconds of the map, we're going to see if any of these teams can pull off a successful farm. Gummy Sharks trying to shake these cubes out of their robot. Mechanical Thunder dispensing some cubes. All right, qualification match 42. We've got 40301C, Flamingo Mafia, and 40.